Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready for the day. I thought that I would turn the camera on, just get ready on camera, show you guys kind of like my everyday routine. This is very simple. It takes me 5 minutes or less. I'm going to share with you guys what I do on days where I basically just wear tint and moisturizer, and then on days where I want a little bit more, maybe I'm just running errands, going shopping, whatever, working at home, where I feel like I want a little bit more makeup on, but I'm not going to do like my full glam. So a very simple under 10-minute makeup look that you can do every day that will make you look put together and polished, and your skin is going to look even, you're going to look good, but you don't have like tons and tons of makeup on, and it doesn't take very much time. So let's go ahead and get started. So I just got out of the shower. I washed and dried and curled my hair. If you want to see my routine on how I do that, I'll link it up here so you guys can just click. And I have moisturizer on, and I also have a little bit of this Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. So I don't think I'm going to do a primer today because I'm actually going to just wear a tint and moisturizer, not a foundation. First up though, my lips need some lip balm really bad. So I'm going to do the Sarah Happ lip slip. You guys know this is like my favorite. My lips are still so dry. So I love this. So for tint and moisturizer, I'm using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. I have it in shade number 6. I remember when this came out, I didn't really love it, but I wanted to try it again. So I have it, like I said, in shade 6, Ginger. It's got SPF 30. It's a tinted hydrating gel cream. So I really love watching Ali Sevdalis' videos. I just really like her. And she recommended another YouTuber, Instagrammer. Her name is Catherine. So I started following her too, and just like watching her stories and her videos and stuff. And she really loved the combination of this Bare Minerals with these Moonstone drops from Josie Maran. So I was like, okay, let me try that out, because I do love like a tint and moisturizer for day to day. So I was like, if there's one that's really good and makes your skin look as good as hers looked, I was like, I want to try it. So I ordered it the other day. I've been using it for about a week now, the combination, and I really like it. So it's nice, it's pretty. I used to just love Josie Maran Argan Oil, and I like stopped using it for a couple years, and now I love using this again. I've been using her like body moisturizer again. Foundation, I always use a brush, but tint moisturizer, I usually just keep this in my bathroom and just do it right after, you know, all of my serums and creams and stuff, so I just use my hands. And it just evens out your skin a little bit, gives you a little glow. It just makes it look like you have really good skin naturally. So to be honest, a lot of days I'll just leave it like this. I've got, you know, I feel like I have naturally thick brows. I put some lip balm on, my lashes are done, and I'll just go out the door like this or hang out at home like this. I feel like I have my SPF on. I have just a little bit of coverage, and this is enough. But if I do want a little bit more, just to feel a little bit more put together, I will go in with some concealer. This one is from NARS. It's in shade Ginger as well for under eyes and around any spots. This concealer is great because it's full coverage, but it's just, it feels really just lightweight on your skin. It's not heavy, and I always love doing like just concealer on days when I don't want to wear foundation. It's also just kind of helped bring some color back into my face. I haven't been self-tanning recently, and it's like the dead of winter, so just a little bit of color I think helps kind of bring my skin back to life. I love a really glowy and dewy look, but I just can't stand the feeling of like my face feeling wet from foundation or something. So I always like to set with some translucent powder or some foundation powder or anything. It is whatever I have on hand. So for today, I like to set the concealer with translucent powder. This one's from Laura Mercier. It's like my all-time favorite for under the eyes and just anywhere on concealer. It really keeps my under eye bright. Concealer tends to settle in my lines under my eyes and just never dry down or matte down, so I have to set like really well under my eyes every day. And on my eyelids. And then powder foundation is my super easy trick to giving myself the look of full coverage without having to do like a foundation or anything like that. So I always like to use a flat top brush. The one that I normally use is from Bare Minerals. I couldn't find it now, so I just had this IT Cosmetics one. Like any flat top brush, this is the Pure 4-in-1 in light tan. It's a great powder foundation, so I just get some on the brush and I tap it on. And it's going to instantly give you coverage, like a beautiful, beautiful coverage. So I go between this one from Pure Minerals or the Benefit Hello Flawless. They're both really good like full coverage powders, but they're not heavy or anything, and they're just so easy. A lot of times I'll just like keep one in my purse, and if I feel like I need makeup before I go in somewhere, I'll just put a little bit on. This literally takes like 30 seconds to do your whole face. I'm just gonna brush away the powder I had under my eyes. That's it. It like literally took just a couple minutes, and it looks like I have full coverage foundation on or something. And that's, you know, all that I will do. Super, super simple. Okay, so from here, if I have the time to, I will fill in my brows. If I don't, I'll just use a little brow gel so at least they stay in place. But I mean, I have time today. I always do this. I'm sorry, I do it in every video now. Okay, so I use the Benefit, what is this? Goof Proof in number 4. And then if I just want to use a brow gel, I'll use like the Gimme Brow or the Brow Tones, also from Benefit. They're really great. Like tinted brow gels, so it looks like you filled in your brow a little bit. See, it takes like no time at all, but I don't really need like too much in my brows. So you kind of have to do like what you feel you need the most. For me, what's most important is my like face routine, because I feel like I have naturally full brows, I get lash extensions, and then lips, it's just super easy to like to throw on a lipstick. So I spend the most time on my face. But if you feel like you need to spend the most time on your brows and mascara and then just do the powder and skip everything else, then do that. Like do what works for you, your routine, your face, and what you like. So that's all I'll do for brows. But if I didn't have time, I would have just quickly like ran this gel through it. It takes like 2 seconds. And you can even keep a lot of these things like in your purse. So I actually won't do anything for my eyes. I'll just make sure my lashes are brushed, and that's all that I'll do. My face needs some color to it. So I really love like a face palette. They're kind of hard to find. So maybe I'm working on something for you guys. But anyways, a face palette that I like is this one from Becca. It's the Chrissy Teigen palette, because it comes with most of the things that you need. So it comes with a little bronzer, some highlighters, and a blush. So I'm just going to use this, keep it really simple, bronze up my skin with the bronzer here. And of course you can skip any of these steps. If you don't wear blush, just skip the blush. Or if you don't want to wear bronzer and just do the blush, just do that. You know, like just do what would work in your routine. I'm going to show you guys everything so you can see what I would use and how I would do it. But I mean, this is so quick. A little bit down the nose. My nose has been so swollen now towards the end of pregnancy. Like I didn't feel like it was swollen at all. But then the past couple of weeks, my nose and my lips feel so swollen. Nose especially though. Okay, same brush. I just take the blush in there. Highlighter. All with one brush. Done. Face is done. One thing I will do is take this brush with whatever leftover bronzer, blushes on it, whatever, and I'll just go into the crease in my eye just to give it a little something. That's literally all I'll do. If you want to take a brush with some bronzer on it, you can. But you can even just use that big brush. Like, it really doesn't even matter. So simple and quick. Okay, last thing is I'm going to go wipe this lip balm off so we can put some lipstick on real quick. Okay, you don't have to wipe the lip balm off, but I just feel like my lips look really weird if I don't have like color on them. I don't know why. So I have to do it. Okay, so I take that off, do a little lip liner. You don't have to do lip liner, but lip liner is my favorite part about makeup, and I just love it, and I love wearing it every day, and it's super easy for me. I always have like 5 in my purse, 5 in every makeup bag, so it's just easy. This one's from Lancome, my favorite. Like, I just feel like it completes the look. If you don't have lash extensions and you don't want to spend time on your eyes, like you want to do something similar to what I did, just wear sunglasses and no one will know. You'll look like done up and perfect, and no one will have any idea that you don't have any eye makeup on under those sunglasses. Okay, so then I do any lipstick, like literally any lipstick that I'm loving right now. This one is from Buxom. It's called Honeydew. It's like a peachy nude. I do like liquid lips just because they last a lot longer throughout the day than lipsticks. I always have to have a brush though to blend in my lipstick because I just cannot stand the way it looks like if it's not blended into the liner. Oh, here we go. And then you can put the lip balm on top, you can put a gloss on top, just do whatever you want. I usually just keep a lip balm in my purse and lip liner for touch-ups. Okay, and this is it. I'll just do a little bit more of this mist so I can stay dewy and fresh throughout the day. I love this mist. Super simple, 10-minute everyday look. Your skin is even, it has some color to it. Brows and lashes look good, lips look good. We're done, out the door in less than 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me. Definitely take these tips into your everyday routine. They'll make it go by super fast. Try out some of these products. I will link everything down below in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. This is kind of like my end of pregnancy. I don't care, I'm tired, I'm busy, kind of like 10-minute makeup look. I'm sure it'll turn into a 5-minute makeup look once baby boy is here, but for now, this is my look. Maybe I'll do the sunglass trick once baby comes and no one will have any idea. It's a really good trick. You guys should try it. Okay, bye.